Hi everyone, welcome to Edipedia World. This is Varun Ganga. In this session, we are going to see one more example regarding multiplication of numbers by applying case number to Nikhlam Sutra. In our earlier session, we have seen different examples, but in this session, we are going to see one more different example. So let us have a look of that example. And the example that I am going to take here is 24 into 27. So whenever you are multiplying any two numbers, at first you have to find the base. If I ask you to find the base here, you have to keep it in your mind one thing, that is the case that you are applying here. If I ask you to apply case number 1 Nikhlam Sutra, the base will become as 30. Why? Because 24 and 27 are nearer to the number 30. But the base 30 is greater than these two numbers, and 24 and 27 are less numbers when you are comparing with the base number, that is 30. So this won't come under case number 2. So you have to keep in your mind the cases that you are applying. Here we are following case number 2 Nikhlam Sutra. So therefore here the base will become as 20. So base here for the numbers 24 and 27 is 20. Why? Because the base should be always less than the numbers that you are multiplying. So this is the case number 2 Nikhlam Sutra. After finding the base for these two numbers, you just write down 24 and below that 27 by placing a horizontal bar and also a vertical bar in order to split it into two columns, that is right column and left column. On the left column you have to write the numbers that you are multiplying, and on the right column you have to write the numbers, that is 24 and 27 having more number when you compare the base with the number. Now, when you are comparing 20 and 24, 24 is having 4 more than the 20. So you just write down 4 with a positive sign in front of it. Why you are writing positive sign means here the number 24 is having more number. If a number is having more number, you have to place a positive sign. If you are having a less number, you have to place a negative sign. So now you just compare the other two numbers, that is 20 and 27. So here you have to write plus 7. Why? Because the number 27 is having 7 more than the base, that is 20. After writing the more numbers, when you compare with the base, you just do multiplication for these two numbers. So plus 4 into plus 7, you will get 28. You just write that 28 on the bottom of the right column. Now you just do cross addition in either of the ways, that is either 24 plus 7 or else 27 plus 4. You will get the same number as the answer, that is 31. You just write down that 31 on the bottom of the left column. Now you just check the number of digits on the bottom of the right column. Here the number of digits on the bottom of the right column is just 2, 1 and 2. And the number of zeros that you have got here is only 1. And the other thing is the base is 20. It is not either 10 or 100 or else anything like 1000, 10,000, like that. So when you get a base as 20 or 30 or 40, definitely you have to multiply the number that you have got on the bottom of the left column with the base. So here you have to multiply 31 and 20. When you multiply 31 and 20, you will get 620. Why? Because 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and you just keep that 0 here. So 620 you will get when you multiply 31 and 20. After getting that 620, you just add the number that you have got on the bottom of the right column, that is 28. So 620 plus 28, you will get 648. So therefore, when you multiply 24 and 27, you will get the answer or the product as 648. So this is the easiest way of doing multiplication of any two numbers, and we are going to get answer within less than 30 seconds, or else we can say 20 seconds. On practicing these Nikhlam Sutra, definitely you can do any multiplications with less than 20 seconds. Hope that you have understood the application of case number 2 Nikhlam Sutra and you have enjoyed well. Thank you. Have a nice day.